Now we're going to look at a path on a graph. Create a graph with 2 even and 2 odd vertices. Then describe a path that will traverse it. Well, when we talk about an even vertex, what we mean is that there are an even number of attached edges. And so, as you might imagine, when we talk about an odd vertex, what we mean is that there are an odd number of attached edges. Now, we want a graph with 2 even and 2 odd vertices, which means we're going to have 4 vertices. Let's just set it up. I'm just going to put them in kind of a square configuration. I'm going to label this A and B and C and D. And what I'm going to do is just start here and start drawing. Now I'm going to draw a line from C to A, and then I'm going to draw a line from A to B. Now before I go any further, let's just stop for a minute. The minute I put 2 edges coming off of A, I've made this an even vertex. If I only have 1 edge coming off of C, this one is odd. Now we're told we want 2 even and 2 odd. If I come down from B toward D, I've made this an even vertex because there are 2 edges coming off of it. And if I don't do anything else, then D is going to be an odd vertex. So this is a pretty simplistic format, but notice I have created the graph that's been asked for. I have 2 even and 2 odd vertices. When we're asked to describe a path that will traverse it, we just mean if we start at some point, can we go across all edges and hit all vertices? We're going to, if I start at C, for instance, I can go from C up to A, and I'll separate this with commas, and then I can go from A to B, and then I can go from B to D, and I will have traversed the graph by doing this particular path.